Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is going up almost 5.5% today. It is flying high and this movement is incredible. Right now Tesla is in an undeniable bullish territory. Could it drop from here? Could it reverse from here? What are the next key points that we should look at from here right now at this moment? Well, I will try to answer these questions in this video. Just first remember, my dear friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, subscribe because I'm here every single day to update you guys on Tesla and on other stocks as well. Before we start, I'm sorry I could not record any videos to you guys yesterday. I was not feeling that well, but as you guys can see, obviously today I am feeling well, so I'm recording this video right now. So, however, my previous video was quite accurate in many points. 2 days ago, we closed it over here, right? Almost at the 700s. And see, Tesla is bullish right now because we broke the 700s. Remember guys, above the 700s is bullish, below 700s is bearish, and you guys can see why in this chart over here. The red line is the 700s. See how this point did work as support and resistance levels many times in the past. So to me, this was the most important key point in Tesla in the short term. By breaking the 700s, Tesla becomes bullish again. In addition to that, it is important to stress that Tesla is not only breaking the 700s, it is breaking the 700s by doing a classic bullish structure, call it bullish pivot point. It did a high around the 700s again as expected. It did a bottom around 685 around the 21 EMA in the 1 hour chart as well. See how this point did work as a dual support level for us. I told you guys this 2 days ago. If we do a pullback to the 685, that's okay. That's totally plausible. That's acceptable. A pullback is not a reason for us to get scared or, I don't know, to believe the stock is going to keep dropping or to reverse. No, it was just a pullback above its support levels. And we reacted nicely. Right now, we are breaking this previous high over here. By breaking this red line, we triggered the pivot point, this N letter over here, N of Nathan, if this helps you to remember this pattern. So it did trigger a higher high, higher low. That's a reversal. That's a trait of a reversal and a reversal, bullish reversal chart pattern, which is quite good. So it is just heading to the $740, which is our target, which I have been talking about here in this channel for many days right now. So to me, we are just heading to our target. I think we're gonna hit there, okay? And then we'll see. Because the 700s, the $740 area is a resistance point, okay? So we gotta keep our eyes open. Now, what if it drops from here? That's okay. Again, just like here, just like Tesla did over here yesterday, pullbacks are acceptable movements and they don't represent any threat to the trend, okay? So it's still under control. Any pullback to the 21 EMA would be just an opportunity to buy. Why am I saying this? Because Tesla is bullish right now. It is in a bull trend in the 1 hour chart, in the short term. We're going to study other time frames as well. However, let's take a quick look at the indices first, because the S&P right now, I told you guys this as well, we did find a support level at 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, the last support level we could possibly have worked with, and only if the S&P lost the 61.8% retracement, we would see a sharper drop. However, we reacted nicely in this area, and right now we are bouncing back up, just like Tesla. This is the daily chart, okay? Just like Tesla, we could see, we still don't see yet, okay? But we could see this, a bullish pivot point. It will confirm if the S&P breaks the previous high, meaning 39.45. That's our key point on the S&P. If you want to see the S&P reversing, truly reversing, putting an end in this incredible bear trend, we got to break 39.45. That's our key point on the S&P. It is still a bear trend though, okay? We are still dropping, we are still below the 21 exponential moving average, and we still don't see clear higher highs, higher lows. We see a higher low, great. That's a very nice beginning, but we gotta see a higher high. We gotta see it breaking its pivot point. And the same applies on the Nasdaq index. We are almost there. I agree with you. We are almost breaking the previous resistance level over here, and this is great, but we still didn't. So guys, let's always wait for confirmation. That's the main difference between gamblers in this market and professionals. Professionals rather prefer to wait for confirmation, even if they have to buy at a higher price. It's just like a premium for more security, for more assertivity in your trades. So let's wait for confirmation. The pattern was not triggered yet, but if you ask me, I think we will trigger this pattern, okay? In my humble opinion, I do have a hunch. Of course, I can't make a living off hunches, but this is what I think right now. In fact, the Nasdaq index is doing good patterns just above the support area over here in the weekly chart, and the same applies on the S&P. We have a crystal clear support level, which is January 2021, and right now we are doing some very nice reactions. I think that it's plausible to see the S&P going up at least to the EMA in the weekly chart, and the same applies on the Nasdaq index as well. Of course, we also have another key point, which is 12.3K. I do believe we're gonna hit this key point on the Nasdaq, to be more specific to you guys. All right, so back to Tesla. Tesla in the daily chart. I told you guys in the 1 hour chart, we are bullish. Maybe you're gonna find a top level in this area or near the 740s. Again, this is a resistance area. It's not a very specific price level, a magic number that, okay, we're gonna hit there and we're gonna drop after that. No, it's just an area. Maybe you're gonna find a top below the 740s. That's plausible as well. Either way, as long as we don't see Tesla losing the EMA in the 1 hour chart or any other previous support level, I think Tesla will just remain bullish. Remember, Dow theories 5, it's 6, it's Tenet, I believe. Trends persist until a crystal clear reversal occurs. All right, so let's wait for a crystal clear reversal occurs in order to believe Tesla will drop again. So far, I see no crystal clear reversal. However, in the daily chart, we are not bullish yet. Okay, we are not bullish in the daily chart, but we are not bearish anymore. All right, so to me, it seems this is just an annoying sideways trend. Maybe we can see a triangle, a symmetrical triangle. Maybe that's another possibility I didn't talk about in my videos, but maybe we see this pattern going on. Maybe you're gonna break upwards, maybe you're gonna break downwards. Either way, in order for Tesla to become bullish again in the daily chart, we gotta break the previous resistance as well. We are breaking the 21 EMA. This is good. It is a start. It's not that good because we did break it in the past a few times ago, but I rather prefer to see Tesla doing clear higher highs, higher lows, maybe breaking free from this possible triangle chart pattern. Okay, so this is another possibility that I see in Tesla. Okay, we gotta break this triangle upwards. If we do, great. If we break $757, that's even better. I do believe Tesla is gonna fly if we do that indeed. But right now, I think we should wait for more confirmation. If you ask me, I think Tesla is looking good. All right, I think we have more chances of going up than down at this moment because we are in bullish territory. But in order to confirm a better structure, we gotta break this triangle chart pattern. If Tesla does that, I believe we're gonna seek higher resistances. The first one is 792. Above that point, there are no other resistances except 955. So we do have a lot of upside potential if we actually reverse the trend in the daily chart. To me, the trend is starting to reverse, okay, which justifies a buy on Tesla right now. We did trigger this pivot point. Of course, I'm not saying it's a buy right now because we are near a top level, but if it drops again, I believe it's a plausible buy as well. Of course, pay attention to the risk reward ratio. Do not trade with money you will need in the short term. And let's just proceed carefully, okay? Watching the signals, watching carefully the trend, how it is doing, how it is developing. And this way, we are going to proceed in this wild market. Just like the indices, I believe Tesla is just in accumulation near support level over here. I think we're going to at least retest the EMA, okay, around $800. And I will keep you guys updated every single day in this channel. So seriously, remember to subscribe, click on the like button to support me. Thank you very much for your audience. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow. Farewell.